Hello, how you doing? Welcome to the world of Commodore. Today we have a little program here. I put in a REM statement. REM statements are just to put notes in programs so that you know what you did. And actually you can say remark. You can actually say remarkable statement. Quick little program. Oops. Because all it sees, see it's now it's line 5, remarkable statement. Quick little program. If I type run, it still runs because a remark, it just skips over it. It doesn't care. But it's good to put, if you have memory enough, it's good to put remarks in to tell people maybe what variables do, or that you wrote the program, or when you wrote the program, or how to change a variable to do something different. It's a good thing, these remark statements. But once you put in REM, it doesn't matter. Like I put in remarkable statement. There it is, remarkable statement. REM is all it sees. Oh, it's just a REM statement. Ignore it, carry on, go forth. But they're very helpful, especially when someone 40 years later comes looking in to see, gee, I like this program. How could I tweak it a bit? So, good to leave notes, assuming you have memory. If you don't have enough memory, don't do it. But if you have enough memory, program's little, you can put in your name and anything else you like. Anyway, thanks for coming. Bye for now.